The next action we could go over is to send a chat message. In order to do that, we need a trigger again, and we could use the trigger page visit, will be the simplest one. In the page visit trigger, you want to put in the URL of your website. In my case, it's going to be testinstanceuser.com, and I'll just choose contains, click save. Next thing we can do is choose the send chat message module. Be sure to connect them, and here you can choose to write the chat message of your choosing. So just for an example, I wrote, "Welcome to our website, check out our offer." And next, we could leave it as create new conversation, make the message medium so they could see it a bit better. Oh, there you are, that's what it's going to look like. And click save. Now everybody visiting this web page now is going to receive a chat message. But you could actually filter users so not everybody receives that message. So we can go to conditions and put in filters. And if it meets that criteria, let me just make it a bit neater, then the chat message will be sent. So for example, if we choose a user that has visited the page, let's say he or she visited the page more than 3 times, we just add this filter, scroll down and click save, and now the chat message will be sent. So let's say the user responded to the offer. So on sent, the next module we're going to use is user responded. Let's say they responded within 30 seconds. We could send a follow-up question or message, whatever they prefer. So you could send them a follow-up message explaining what your offer is and asking if they want to know more about it. Click save, and let's say they respond to that as well. So we choose user responded. Let's give it 30 seconds as well. You could actually use the next action module, which is email agent. So if they responded, you could assign a specific agent to this user, write the subject and content of the message. I wrote explain user offer, so they could offer more specific details about the user's questions. And you could assign an agent. So let's say I'll assign myself, click save. And that's just one example of how you could use a chat message. But as you can see, you could use multiple actions with each other and really get creative on this. So I hope that was helpful, and as always, thanks for listening.